something timeless about the way wood interacts with everyday life. It doesn't rush, it doesn't dazzle, it simply grounds. And when it comes to something as simple and essential as a fruit basket, wood transforms the ordinary into an act of quiet beauty. A wooden fruit basket isn't just a container, it is a celebration of natural abundance. The meeting of two organic forms, fruit and timber, creates an unspoken harmony, one that has existed since the first hands gathered harvest and the first craftsman carved a vessel to hold it. In a world of chrome and plastic, a wooden basket feels most rebellious. It refuses disposability. It invites touch, texture, and continuity. It reminds you that even the smallest corner of your home, a dining table, a kitchen counter, a breakfast nook, can hold warmth and artistry. There is a certain poetry in contrast. The gloss of an apple against matte oak, the golden skin of a mango beside walnut's dark veins, the deep red of grapes spilling over a pale peach rim. The colors come alive differently when framed in wood. It is as if the fruit belongs there, not staged, not arranged, just played in quiet belonging. The tactile nature of wood plays a big role. Unlike glass or metal, it feels alive under your fingertips. The subtle grain, the uneven edges, even the faint scent of oil or polish, all create a sensory link between nature's gift and your daily life. And while design trends change, the wooden fruit basket endures because it adapts. Whether it's hand-turned and carved like sculpture or raw and rustic with exposed joints, it carries personality. It can look refined in a minimalist home or handmade in a farmhouse kitchen. The magic lies in its honesty. There is also a deeper rhythm at play. When you place fruit in a wooden basket, you're not just decorating, you're continuing a ritual. You're displaying nourishment with reverence. You're acknowledging the cycle of growth, harvest, and sharing. In Japanese aesthetics, there is an idea called shibue, understated beauty, quiet tastefulness. Wooden fruit baskets embody that perfectly. They never demand attention, but they anchor a space with a calm presence. You notice them without realizing it. And beyond aesthetics, there is a practical wisdom. Wood breathes. It allows air circulation, keeping fruit fresher for longer. It doesn't overheat or condense. It is a natural material performing a natural function, elegant through simplicity. The best part is how seamlessly a wooden fruit basket blends into daily life. In the morning, it becomes the first color you see, oranges glowing in soft sunlight. By evening, it is part of your still life. Pears, bananas, or lemons, softly lit by kitchen lamps. Over time, it becomes more than decor. It becomes a rhythm, a living centerpiece. It is easy to overlook small things like this, but in reality, they define the soul of a home. not the grand furniture or the expensive materials, but these subtle, intentional objects that carry warmth and care. A wooden fruit basket isn't just for display, it is an invitation to eat slower, to live seasonably, to notice the beauty in every day. It bridges the rawness of nature with the calm of human design. And because each piece of wood is unique, every basket tells its own story. Some show walls that look like wind patterns. Others have fine linear grains like fingerprints. These markings turn an ordinary object into something deeply personal. You don't just own it, you inherit it. The presence of such an object can influence how you perceive your space. Wood has a grounding energy. It stabilizes, it calms. Place it at the heart of your kitchen or dining table, and you will feel the difference. Subtle but unmistakable. The room feels warmer, more cohesive, more lived in. It is a paradox of design, humble yet poetic, functional yet deeply emotional. And that is what makes it timeless. Because true elegance doesn't shout, it whispers in the curve of the wind, in the soft flow of polished wood, in the quiet satisfaction of something made with care. So until next time, happy decorating.